guys, welcome back to our channel. For today's vlog, I'm going to show you how to make a DIY homemade natural fertilizer. So here's my daughter, Sophia, and we have two types of fertilizer for today. First one is toasted eggshells plus coffee grounds fertilizer. And we also have a liquid fertilizer, which is banana peel liquid fertilizer. I'll show you step-by-step process how to make it. So just to let you know, it's very important for your starting seedlings to have fertilizer, and you can actually use the scrap you have at home to make fertilizers. I'm sure many doesn't know, or I don't know if you know already how to use these things, but I'll show you today. So bananas are very rich in potassium, magnesium, phosphorus, which is really good for our vegetables and plants. And coffee grounds are also good because it contains nitrogen, which helps in giving acidity to the soil. And so this is what I did. I have here a banana peel liquid fertilizer, which is mainly liquid fertilizer. And I have a good mixture of toasted eggshells and coffee grounds because it's balanced. The eggshell and the coffee grounds are balanced to each other, which is why I have it all together. You can also have banana peel crushed, also chopped in this mixture, but I prefer to have eggshells and coffee grounds only, and separate the banana peel into liquid fertilizer. And at home we consume Turkish coffee every day, 3 or 4 times a day. My husband's family loves to drink coffee, and we have this coffee ground, so I was thinking I want to make use of it. That's why I have fertilizer. And also we have a compost where we throw away our coffee grounds before and our banana peels. This time I'm trying to make a fertilizer out of it, and I'll show you step-by-step process, so please come along with me. Here's the banana peels that I collected, and what we're going to do is we will make a liquid banana peel fertilizer, and we will put this in a pot with water and bring it to boil. There you go. I already placed this banana peels in the pot. Now we're going to bring it to boil. Our boiled banana is ready, so we're going to transfer in the container. Here are my containers. So it's a recycled one, and I put here the name banana peel liquid fertilizer. So I'm going to put this one by one, so let's do it. There you have it. I already finished transferring our banana peel liquid fertilizer in the container. Just be careful because it's quite hot. Now what we're going to do is we're going to let it sit down for 3 to 5 days. And once you see that the banana peel water became like brownish, then that's the time you will remove the banana peel, so you can use the water. You can put in your sprinkler and then use it for watering your plants. Now we are set for our banana peel liquid fertilizer. That's it. Now we'll go to our next type of do-it-yourself DIY homemade fertilizer, which is the coffee ground plus eggshells fertilizer. So I'll show you how it's done. So as you can see, guys, this is my coffee grounds. This is the coffee grounds that I have collected over the past few days. So we consume a lot of Turkish coffee at home, and that's why we have a lot of coffee grounds. And I put here toasted eggshells plus coffee grounds fertilizer. So our coffee grounds is ready. All we need to do is to prepare our eggshells and toast it. For our eggshells, we need to bake our eggshells first. I'm gonna put this in the oven just to kill the bacteria, germs in the eggshells before we use it. Now our eggshells are ready. It's already toasted. It's good to go. Now up next is to crush our eggshells before we combine here in our coffee grounds. So we're gonna crush it first. I let it cool down so I can crush it by hands. You can also use blender if you have one. We have at home, but I prefer just crushing it by my hands. I'm not really particular with crushing it with blender. You can do it this way. It's easy. Just need to make it very fine. It's easy if you use blender, but I prefer it this way because our blender is in the other house and I don't want to go up and take it for now. This is good. This is also fast. Now my husband has arrived and he's gonna film me a little bit. So to make it more fine, I'm using here a glass. This is a glass, this is not a lamp. So just push it a little bit this deep. It's working well, making it more fine. Alright, our eggshells are now ready. So crushed eggshell. And what we're going to do is to mix here in our coffee grounds. So to make it easier, I will Alright, last part. We already have our eggshells, toasted eggshells, and our coffee grounds. So we just need to mix it. So mix them up and they will be ready to go. So how do we apply our toasted eggshells and our ground coffee? What you're going to do is to just put it in the plant. I will also show you a demonstration. So just mix it thoroughly so the eggshells, crushed eggshells, will also go down in the bottom. Alright, it's finished. We have our toasted eggshells and coffee ground fertilizer. Here are some of my salads, so I'll give you a sample how I use the eggshells and ground coffee fertilizer. So this is how you do it. So it's kind of dark already. I hope you can still see it, guys. So I have here a scrape and that's where I'm going to use. You can also use a spoon, it's also good. But I have here a scrape with me and I'm going to put this fertilizer in my baby salads. So, and by the way, this fertilizers I'm showing you today, it's very good for your seedlings indoors. So it's also good in your house plants and in all types of vegetables. You can also do it when you're already planting outside the garden. For now, I have here my indoor plants. So this, just scrape an amount and then we put in the salad, around the salad. So just little, there you go, there you go, it's perfect. You see, I hope you can see that. And then do it all your seedlings. So I'll have an up close. There you go. Just be careful not to include the leaves, but you can sprinkle it with water when you water it, so it will be removed. It's good to go. For our banana peel liquid fertilizer, I put here in my sprinkler. As you can see, after 3 days, it's already brownish in color. I remove the banana peel and put the water here. So you can let it stay until 5 days if you want. For now, this is for 3 days. See, it's really dark already. And I'm going to water my seedlings. So this is really good for starting seedlings, starter seedlings as fertilizer. So you just need to water. Let me just adjust my sprinkler and then I'll water. And by the way, here's my seedlings. Some of my seedlings at home, indoors. I have more. Others are still babies. I just sown them indoors a few days ago. So, and just few of them. I have a lot in the kitchen, in our nursery, in the window panes, and yeah, growing more because there's a global threat right now, pandemic with the coronavirus. So it's better to have food security. And so let's do water our seedlings with our banana peel liquid fertilizer. I'm using one hand, so I'm sorry if it's kind of shaky. Just sprinkler like a rain. I water liquid fertilizer. I use the liquid fertilizer weekly, so I only do it once a week. Not really that much. Also same with my coffee grounds and the eggshells mixture. Alright, I need to do all of my seedlings, so that's all for now. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. See you on our next video, guys. Thank you so much for watching.